to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a simple feathered crossover. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to split her hair from the top in front of her forehead all the way down to the back of her neck. You're going to go ahead on the right side. You're going to go right here on the top of her head and go right behind her ear. And then you're going to put this into a ponytail. So you're going to take this and you're going to temporarily secure it with another elastic band, very loose though. You're going to do the same thing here, over there. Okay, so now that you have two ponytails right here, okay, I'm going to wet this down a little bit. We're going to split this into 3 equal parts. The right strand is going to go in the middle. Then the left strand is going to go in the middle. And then we're going to take a small piece right here and put it to the side, or she can hold it. And then we're going to do a stitch of a braid. The right goes over in the middle. The left goes over the middle. And we're going to take a small section right here. I'm going to hold it. And do it again, right over the middle, left over the middle, take a small section, have her hold it. We're going to do this 4 times. So this is 3. So the right goes over the middle, the left goes over the middle, and this is the last strand we're going to pull for this section. Now we're just going to continue to braid it to the neck area. Once you reach the neck area, you're going to take the whole entire thing and secure it off into an elastic band. I'm going to let this go. I'm going to wet this down just to give it some texture and to have better grip. Okay, so now we're going to be working on this side. I'm going to wet it down. I'm going to split this into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now that it's in 3 equal parts, you're going to take this bottom part right here, the 4th strand at the bottom, the 4th one that's on the bottom. You're going to take this one and add it to this strand here. Now you're going to go and do a stitch of a braid. So left goes over the middle, and then the right goes over the middle, and then you're going to take the next strand right here and you're going to add it to this left strand. Then go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. Left goes over the middle, right goes over the middle, and then you're going to add from the right side this strand to the left strand. Tighten it up. Left goes over the middle, the right goes over the middle. Add the last strand from the right over to the left strand. And then go ahead and do your stitch of a braid. And then you're going to complete your braid going all the way down to the neck area. So if you want, you can go ahead and secure this off with an elastic band here like this before you put it all together. I like to do this so that I can have control of this and not let this loosen. When I take this out, I'm going to go ahead and just smooth these out, put it together, and then I can go ahead and secure all this together. It gives it a better, clean finish. Now I can go ahead and release this. I'm going to hide this elastic band with her hair using a topsy tail. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and follow our videos and parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. God bless. See you next week.